In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable checkout on Shopify. If you are setting up your Shopify store and you want customers to be able to pay you at checkout, you will need to make sure your payment settings are ready. In this walkthrough, we will go step by step, staying right inside the Shopify admin, so you can follow along easily. First, you will click Settings in Shopify. You can usually find settings in the left-hand menu of your Shopify admin dashboard. Taking a moment here is important because everything related to checkout and payments is controlled through these settings. As you click Settings, pay attention to the page that opens, since the options will look like categories for different parts of your store. Next, once you are inside Settings, you will click Payments. This is the section where Shopify manages how you accept money. On the Payments page, you will typically see different payment methods and options. The goal of this step is to reach the area where Shopify payments can be set up and enabled for your store. Now you are ready to set up Shopify payments. When you see the option for Shopify payments, you will select it and follow the prompts to begin the setup process. This part matters because Shopify payments is what enables the checkout to accept real card payments through Shopify. Depending on your account and store configuration, Shopify may ask you to provide certain business details as part of the verification process. Keep an eye on any instructions that appear on screen and make sure the information you enter is accurate. As you complete the setup, the interface may show steps such as confirming eligibility, reviewing details, and verifying your information. Even though the exact prompts can vary slightly, the overall process stays the same. You are enabling Shopify payments for your store and completing the required verification. It is a good idea to carefully read each screen before moving forward, so you do not miss anything that could delay activation. After you start Shopify payment setup, you will complete the payment setup. This means finishing every required screen until Shopify confirms that the payment provider is turned on for your store. Some setups also include a review stage, where Shopify summarizes what you have entered and what will be used for payouts and card processing. Take a moment to confirm that everything looks correct on that review screen. Once the payment setup is complete, you can usually tell that it worked because the status will update in your payments area. At that point, the checkout experience is supported with payment processing enabled. This is what customers will rely on when they place an order, since the checkout page needs an active payment method to collect payment successfully. To finish, return to the Payments section and confirm that Shopify Payments is enabled for your store. Look for a confirmation message or a status indicator that shows it is active. If you see additional configuration options, it is okay to leave defaults alone, as long as checkout payments are enabled. The key outcome you are looking for is that Shopify Payments is fully set up and ready to accept transactions. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.